Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of timeless home decor art ideas by turning nature's forgotten pieces into modern luxury decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Foraging for art is an enchanting practice that invites us to explore the natural world and transform its discarded elements into unique home decor. By engaging with the environment, we can gather materials like branches, stones, and other organic items to create striking accents that bring a touch of nature indoors. This art form is not just about collecting. It involves a thoughtful process of recognizing the potential in what is often overlooked, showcasing creativity while fostering a connection to the earth. The transformative journey from these raw materials to sophisticated decor pieces begins with an understanding of how to clean, preserve, and assemble found objects, ultimately crafting arrangements that tell a story and enhance the beauty of our living spaces. The first step in this intriguing process is foraging itself, requiring a keen eye and an appreciation for the natural world. As we walk through forests, parks, or along beaches, we learn to observe our surroundings more closely, spotting unique textures, colors, and forms that can be repurposed. For instance, bent branches can serve as elegant display pieces, while smooth river stones might be arranged to create stunning centerpieces or decorative vignettes. Each item we collect holds the potential for artistic transformation, inviting us to envision how it could contribute to our home decor. This initial phase not only emphasizes the beauty of local environments, but also promotes a sense of mindfulness and environmental stewardship, encouraging us to appreciate the materials that nature provides. Once we gather a selection of unique branches, stones, and other organic elements, the next important step involves cleaning and preparing these materials for further use. Nature's discards often come with dirt, moss, or other residues that need to be carefully removed to ensure the final products look polished and appealing. Depending on the type of material, various cleaning methods can be employed. For wooden branches, a gentle scrubbing with a soft brush and warm soapy water can help to clean them without stripping their natural charm. Stones, typically resilient, can be rinsed thoroughly to reveal their colors and patterns. This cleaning process not only enhances the visual appeal, but also ensures that any remaining organic materials are removed, which is crucial for preserving the integrity of the decor pieces. Preservation methods are equally important, as they safeguard the longevity of our found objects. Treating wooden pieces with natural oils or wax can prevent them from drying out and cracking over time, while also enriching their color and enhancing the natural grain patterns. For stones, applying a clear sealant can protect them from moisture and staining, ensuring they remain vivid and functional. By taking these steps to clean and preserve our collected materials, we ensure that the pieces crafted will endure, serving as lasting reminders of the beauty of nature. With the materials cleaned and preserved, the next phase centers around the creative process of assembling these objects into cohesive decor pieces. This is where artistic vision and ingenuity come to the forefront. Unique arrangements can be conceived, transforming simple branches into striking wall art or elegant candle holders. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. For example, a group of slender, curved branches might be laced together to create a stunning centerpiece that captures the viewer's attention, while smaller stones could be used to anchor the arrangement, adding texture and visual interest. The beauty of this process lies in its flexibility. Each piece can be a reflection of personal style, allowing for a myriad of designs that celebrate natural forms and our individual creativity. Innovative techniques for assembly can further elevate the potential of these found objects. Techniques such as binding branches together with twine or wire allow for secure yet visually appealing arrangements. Adorning bare branches with vibrant dried flowers can transform a simple piece into a breathtaking decorative element, while stacking stones in an artful manner can create an inviting focal point. Combining various materials, such as wood, stone, and even intricate dried plant elements, can produce complex textures that captivate the eye. This exploration of assembling diverse elements from nature not only leads to unique pieces, but also reinforces the idea of sustainability, as each creation is rooted in a philosophy of reusing and repurposing materials. Foraging for art ultimately leads to a deeper appreciation of nature's diversity and beauty. Each decor piece serves as a testament to the creativity and artistry that can emerge from the simplest of found objects. Rather than relying solely on mass-produced home accents, creating decor in this manner emphasizes individuality and personal expression. The natural tones, shapes, and textures resonate emotionally, as these pieces become not just decorative items, but stories that connect us to the environment and reflect our journeys. Moreover, this practice encourages a sustainable mindset, advocating for a lifestyle that respects and cherishes the resources available in our surroundings. By turning society's discards into art, we act as stewards of the environment, promoting the idea that beauty can be found in what others may dismiss. With rising concerns over waste and environmental sustainability, the importance of embracing foraged materials becomes increasingly relevant. Engaging in such practices allows individuals to contribute positively to the earth, fostering a culture that values creativity, resourcefulness, and ecological awareness. As these pieces find their way into our homes, they can serve multiple purposes. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, foraged decor often sparks conversations and connections. Guests may inquire about the origins of a striking centerpiece or how a unique wall hanging was crafted, fostering dialogue about both art and nature. Through these interactions, we can share our foraging adventures, discuss the importance of sustainable practices, and inspire others to look at their surroundings with a more observant eye. Each creation thus extends beyond its physicality, engaging both the creator and the observer in a shared appreciation for the beauty of nature and artistry. In Foraging for Art represents a transformative journey where natural found objects are elevated to sophisticated home accents. By seeking out unique branches, stones, and organic materials, we can turn nature's discards into remarkable decor pieces that celebrate the beauty of the earth. Through innovative techniques for cleaning, preserving, and assembling these elements, we craft not just decor, but stories of creativity, sustainability, and individual expression. As we bring the essence of the outdoors into our living spaces, we forge connections with nature and recognize the artistic potential within the world around us, illuminating the profound impact that foraged art can have in our lives and homes. This practice stands as a testament to the artistry of reuse, inviting us to continue exploring and appreciating the treasures that nature provides. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked timeless home decor art ideas by turning nature's forgotten pieces into modern luxury decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.